In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and use some essential features of the HubSpot Sales Hub Professional. If you're looking to streamline your sales processes and keep track of important data, this guide will walk you through some key steps to get started. So, grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's dive right in. First things first, we'll begin by heading over to the trial guide. You'll need to open up your browser and enter the designated HubSpot URL, which will lead you to the Sales Hub Professional Trial Guide. This is our starting point where all operations begin, an interface designed to offer you a comprehensive overview of the sales processes you can manage via HubSpot. Once you're there, you'll see a menu with a variety of options designed to improve both user experience and efficiency. Next, we're going to take a closer look at the CRM, or Customer Relationship Management System. This critical tool allows you to manage your relationships and interactions with all potential and existing customers efficiently. By clicking on the CRM, you'll be able to access valuable data, streamlining customer interfacing tasks. This step is crucial not just for organization and data management, but also for directly impacting your ability to analyze and improve customer relationships. Now, moving on to the Companies section, which can be accessed directly through your CRM interface. By clicking here, you open up a dedicated space where you can store, organize, and track all information related to the companies you're dealing with. This helps ensure you have a clear view of all relevant company data, like contact information, which is essential for maintaining ongoing relationships and tailoring communications effectively to meet the specific needs of different organizations. Then you will need to focus on a particularly insightful metric, the last activity date. This step involves navigating to your list of contacts and clicking on the last activity date to get a real-time view of the most recent interactions. This data is indispensable for keeping track of when you last engaged with each company, making sure no opportunity slips through the cracks due to inactivity or oversight. Lastly, there's the lead status feature. By accessing your contact list within the CRM, you'll click on lead status to ascertain exactly where each prospect or client is on their journey with your business. This aspect of CRM management allows you to prioritize efforts, allocate resources wisely, and tailor follow-up actions to effectively nurture leads through the sales funnel. And there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive guide to navigating some fundamental features of the HubSpot Sales Hub Professional. These steps will help you organize your data, track interactions, and ultimately optimize the way you manage customer relationships. Thank you for tuning in, and feel free to explore these features on your own for a deeper understanding of how to leverage HubSpot for your business needs.